So this is actual organization, right? Because existing drill organizers don't organize your stuff. They just kind of divide up your stuff into smaller units of mess. So,
let's see.
No!
Oh.
So what's the best time for you? We could play your games, but I could never see me lose. And I've been checking out your moves. You will slip and slide, but I can always catch your groove. I've been hurt before and saw you inside me. Pulling on my heart, all the strings will fly. See, you can take the cake, I'm just icing. Blow so quick, never fuck with Pisces. But I heard quick. We could change shape in a tick. With a broken heart and nights apart, I'm wide awake and I'm just still thinking about you, baby. I've been doing all I can, and baby, I'm not built to fight like on the daily. But you know I just need a little training. And now I'm a little too much. We get stuck in this place where I'm lost without a chase, where I can't seem to find any better use of time. Come on now, baby. Yeah, you know I just need a little training. And now I'm a little too much. So what's the best time for you? I've been doing all I can, and baby,
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I had a blast filming and editing it. Definitely something new, not a fight video, but was definitely fighting for my life, learning Fusion 360. As you probably noticed, this video is inspired by Scott Ujan. He does things like filmmaking, editing, 3D printing, to name a few. So yeah, Scott, if you're watching, thank you for inspiring this video. Anyway, thanks again for checking this video out, and maybe make more. I don't know, that was really hard, but yeah, we'll see.